Welcome to 300 Auto. What are we up to today, Tim?
Today we're unboxing a package from DHL,
Okay.
and we didn't get money from this company.
Ah, that's
So
nice,
we
yeah.
turned that around.
Definitely.
Let's open. Wow, it seems to be a golden frame.
Golden frame.
Yes.
What have you
Let's
done to
see.
deserve that?
Let's see. So this is a rating from a credit company called
Okay.
UC, and this is quite a good rating after 2 years almost. We
All
got
right.
the bronze rating.
Oh, that's nice after only 2 years.
Yeah, that's quite good.
Yeah.
And here we have a congratulations letter. Nice.
Great.
Nice to see.
So, where would you want to hang that?
I'm not sure actually, even if we will hang it.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's find out.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sure. What would you say about that nice Vespa? Is that for sale?
Yes, it is. It's a 59 Grand Sport.
What do you mean, 59cc or
No, it's a year 59.
1959?
Yeah, 1959.
Wow.
Yeah. So all
Great.
original.